Today I'm going to show you a powerful way to deactivate WordPress plugins directly from the database using phpMyAdmin. If you're locked out of your WP-admin or have a plugin causing issues you can't fix from the dashboard, this method is a reliable lifeline. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to safely turn off plugins from the database, giving you back control of your site. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you'll need to do is access phpMyAdmin. This tool comes bundled with most hosting control panels, think cPanel or platforms like WP Engine. So go ahead, log into your hosting backend, and look for that familiar phpMyAdmin icon. Opening it up takes you right to the heart of your site's data, which can seem intimidating at first, but don't worry, I'll walk you through every step. Now, inside phpMyAdmin, you'll see a list of databases on the left. Your WordPress site sits inside one of these, so click the name that matches your site. If you're not sure which is yours, a quick tip, it's often named something like WP or might include part of your domain name. Clicking into your database opens up a whole list of tables, like peeking inside WordPress's filing cabinet. Here, where we need to get specific, we're looking for the table called WP Options. But keep in mind, sometimes that prefix isn't WP, especially if your hosting has security hardening in place. You might see something like WP 123 Options or My Site Options. Just check the start of each table name and make sure you're grabbing the one that ends in Options. Once you're in the Options table, you'll need to browse to find the row with option name set to Active Plugins. This is key. This row tells WordPress which plugins are currently switched on. Often, this entry isn't right on the first page. Look for Pagination or Next buttons at the bottom of the table. If you get lost, use the Search or Filter tool at the top to quickly pinpoint active plugins. There it is, your plugin list, all bundled up in one database row. Now on to the magic step, editing the entry. If you want to disable all plugins at once, this is super simple. Double-click right inside the option value box for that active plugins row and replace everything in there with a 0. What does that mean? You're telling WordPress there are 0 active plugins. And that's it, no more plugin conflicts, but maybe you just want to switch off one plugin, not all. This part takes a little finesse because WordPress stores plugin info in something called a serialized string, basically a way for PHP to remember more than one thing in a single line. So if you see something like A2 at the start, that means 2 plugins are listed. You'll carefully remove the reference for the plugin you want to deactivate and also change the number after A to match the new total. So if you knocked out one of 2, you'd update it to A1. Take your time with this. If you format the string incorrectly, you might temporarily break plugin loading. Good news is if you make a mistake, WordPress will often just show a plugin's error. You can go back and fix it, so don't panic. Once your changes look good, hit go or press enter. This saves your update, and that's it. WordPress will now see your new plugin settings next time it loads. Give your site a quick refresh, and you should see plugins deactivated just like if you'd done it from the dashboard. And there you have it, your site's plugins managed directly from the database. If this walkthrough helped you regain access or fix a tricky plugin issue, be sure to hit like. If you have any questions on the serialized strings or want troubleshooting tips, drop a comment, I always reply. And for more WordPress tips, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching and good luck with your site.